If you want to add fingerprint on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here we're gonna scroll down in order to find security and privacy. Then we can choose device unlock over here, and there we go, we have fingerprint in this place. Enter the current password. Over here press setup, and then we got it. Over here we have our sensor, so now we need to touch with our finger. So touch the sensor and then you can lift it. And then do this again, just touch and lift. There we go. And as you can see over here we have this box that we need to fill. Try to scan your finger from different sides, different angles, in order to avoid issues with the fingerprint sensor later on. Of course, you can scan the same finger multiple times later on if you want to, or you can just simply scan different fingers, of course. And after a few more touches, we should be able to proceed. As you can see, sometimes we get instructions if we do something wrong, so in case you cannot figure it out, just try to read the text over here. And there we go. Alright, fingerprint added, so now we can proceed and add another one if you want to, or you can press done over here on the left side. And there we go, we have settings, although not much can be changed here. We can, for example, remove the current fingerprint that we have added. We can also add another fingerprint if you want to, or you can change the animation style as well. So, that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.